Hey guys, glad you come back. I don't know, it's been a while since I've done a video. Just thought I'd do a little quick one. Did one earlier. The audio did not come out very well because I had trying out my other GoPro I brought home from work. Audio was really low. Well, then I realized the back door was closed on it. Yeah, dummy me. But anyway, just a little kind of a quick recap of what I just was talking about. Appreciate your back. If you haven't checked out the channel, check out the channel Mechanic73. I try to do little fix-it videos. If you guys got any type of suggestions or anything you'd like to see, or have any questions about anything, I'm pretty good about trying to figure that stuff out. I've probably ran across it for quite a while. Been turning wrenches for almost 35 years, so it's probably something I've ran into. Anyway, a little quick deal. My latest project was my mower. That's a 2011 Snapper zero turn. It's got the 19 horse Kawasaki on it. Hydro pump pulleys just wore out. They're V-belt pulleys and actually turned into round belt pulleys. So it's got a little over I think 3,721 hours on it. So yeah, it's done a lot of grass cutting. Let's just say that much. It used to be for the cities. I've acquired it through the guy that we use them for trade-in when we bought new mowers, because I can't buy directly from the city. So I bought them from him, or one of them. We had 3 of them. They're all like sister mowers. Had 3 identical to them. I bought this one, no specific reason, just bought it. It is one that had the lowest hours on it. I think the other ones had 42 and 4,700 hours on it. This one has 37. So I just picked it that way. There's no specific. They're all identical. They all had the same maintenance checkups and all that stuff. Anyway, I had to cut the pulleys off with a torch. I didn't film it because I didn't have my GoPro here. It's kind of hard to run a torch and use your phone to video, so sorry. Hopefully in the near future I'll get better at doing some of these things. Still kind of in the learning curve. I don't do as much into this as much as I guess should, for you guys to keep watching the channel. But for you 22 subscribers I got so far, thanks, appreciate that, I really do. Anyway, like I said, I replaced the pulleys on the pumps. It's back going, it's mowed, it's great, everything's fine. My next project I'll probably do record on is my truck. I don't know if you guys know this truck. It's an 02 F-250 four-wheel drive 7.3 automatic. It's got 483,000 and some change on it now. It's a good old truck. I love it. My next project on this is going to be doing the 6.0 cooler upgrade. I don't know why it's never been done before me, but hey, it's not. But there's my cooler. Had a hard time finding one. I guess a lot of people around here was doing that or whatever. Found a guy who was parting out a bunch of trucks. I acquired it. I've got the fittings to do it, the hose to do it. I just got to find time to do it. Anyway, I want to give a shout out to a friend of mine. He's started up a YouTube channel. It's called Clays Around Town. Oh, Daniel, he's pretty good. He's pretty good dude of, how you want to say it? Jack of all trades, master of none. Sorry, Daniel. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, kind of my first video really with the GoPro. Normally I do it with my phone. I'm still in the learning curve of the editing, so hopefully if I can just upload the video without any editing, we'll be fine. As you can tell, I'm not in my work shirt because you can't really see my logo. I'm not going to explain that. So what I do at home can't be talked about. So through work, if that makes sense. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, beautiful morning. I just love kind of coming out here. I had to clean up the pool and get it going and all that stuff. I got it kind of going. So anyway, just like I said, just a little quick, little 6-minute video. We'll see how things go. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, hit that notification bell button. Hopefully one of these days I can do this full time. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I got probably a few more years before I can retire, and I think the wife and I are going to hit the road and RV a little bit and enjoy some time with us. Anyway, Daniel, appreciate you giving me the tips on the editing and stuff like that. I'm working on it, trying to watch other people who do a lot of this editing stuff and other videos, learn little tips. If you have any suggestions, anything, comments, concerns, whatever, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, what I can do, what I can't do better, what I can do better, what you'd like for me to do better. I don't know. Whatever. Just drop it. I'll talk to you. See how this thing goes. Anyway, appreciate you. Like I said, like and subscribe. Check out Clay's Around Town. He's up and coming too. I'm going to try to work with him. Maybe we can do videos together maybe sometime. I don't know. Anyway, peace.